Welcome back to our English grammar course. In today's class, we'll be delving deeper into the world of grammar, exploring new concepts, and mastering essential skills to enhance your English proficiency. Get ready to elevate your language abilities and embark on another exciting learning journey with me. Let's dive into Class 2 of our English grammar course. Today, we'll dive into essential grammar topics such as basic sentence and its types, subject and predicate, noun number and gender, pronoun and its cases, tenses, modals, parts of speech, voice, clause and its types, transformation of sentence. To help you improve your writing and communication skills. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial aspect of writing. A topic sentence points to the main idea of the paragraph, letting your reader know what to expect. Let's explore how to craft strong topic sentences that anchor our writing and keep our ideas on track. Simple sentences are sentences that contain a single clause. What is sentence? A sentence is a grammatical unit that expresses a complete thought and typically consists of a subject and predicate. It can stand alone as a complete statement. For example, the cat sat on a mat. She loves to read books. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Types of sentences. How many types of sentences we have? There are 4 main types of sentences that we'll be discussing. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each type serves a unique purpose and adds depth to our writing. Throughout this video, we'll explore each type of sentence in detail, providing examples and practical tips to help you become a master of sentence structure. Let's dive into our first topic. Declarative sentence. Declarative sentences make a statement. They tell us something. They give us information. And they normally end with a full _stop/period. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject plus verb. Declarative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Positive. I like coffee. We watched TV last night. Negative. I don't like coffee. We didn't watch TV last night. The sky is cloudless, clear, and breathtakingly beautiful. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ask us something. They want information. And they always end with a question mark. The usual word order for the interrogative sentence is word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Interrogative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at these examples. Positive. Do you like coffee? Why did you go? Negative. Don't you like coffee? Why didn't you go? Have you ever seen such a brilliant, blue sky? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentences give a command. They tell us to do something, and they end with a full _stop/period. Or exclamation mark/point exclamation mark. The usual word order for the imperative sentence is base verb. Note that there is usually no subject. Because the subject is understood, it is you. Imperative sentences can be positive or negative. Look at the examples. Positive. Stop. Give her coffee. Negative. Don't stop. Let's spend the day outside basking its beauty. Exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentences express strong emotion/surprise. An exclamation. And they always end with an exclamation mark. The usual word order for the exclamative sentence is what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. How plus, adjective slash adverb, plus subject plus verb. Look at the examples. What a liar he is. How he lied. How exciting the movie was. The sky is a heavenly indigo hue today. Alright, we're going to have a little quiz to test our understanding of different types of sentences. I'll give you a sentence, and you tell me which type it is. Ready? Let's begin. You will read a sentence to determine if it is a statement, command, exclamation, or question. No one. That is a red and white ball. Take a moment to think about the sentence I'm going to give you, and then say aloud which type of sentence it is. Let's get started. Declarative sentence. No to. Can I have a cookie? Take a moment to think about the sentence I'm going to give you, and then say aloud which type of sentence it is. Let's get started. Interrogative sentence, right, that's great. No 3. Please give me the pencil. Take a moment to think about the sentence I'm going to give you, and then say aloud which type of sentence it is. Let's get started. Imperative sentence. Good job. No 4. I love that puppy so much. Take a moment to think about the sentence I'm going to give you, and then say aloud which type of sentence it is. Let's get started. Exclamative sentence. Wow, you did it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to me.